everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm bringing you guys another Walmart Ibotta haul because I'm going out of town this week and I don't know how much I could be getting stuff. I'm going to a different I might go to a different Walmart that I'm not familiar with, but I definitely wanted to finish my bonuses just in case I couldn't finish it. So I needed 12 more rebates to hit the summer sizzle bonus, and then I actually needed 5 more rebates for level 2. So I wanted to definitely go ahead and hit that bonus, you guys. Now, a lot of people, I want to know, I'm Team Beach Ball. Please let me know if you are anything else. I have not heard anybody else saying if there is something else. I've just only heard Team Beach Ball. And basically, if you can get 3 million people, or 3 million, okay, so I think it was like 60,000 people have possibly Team Beach Ball. I have no idea. I have no idea, but let me know if you guys have anything else other than Team Beach Ball. That's what I am, but I'm just curious because I have not heard anybody say there's anything else except Team Beach Ball, so we will see. But you guys, I had an awesome haul, you guys. Like, I spent a lot of money, but I got pretty much all of it back. So one thing that you definitely want to check out is the clearance. Now, a lot of stuff is going away, like all the summer stuff is going away, and it's now going to be fall and Christmas stuff. So you guys want to definitely check out these Back to the Roots boxes. Now, these were on clearance for $10. I don't know what the regular price was for this, but this is the windowsill lavender planter, complete with a mason jar grow kit. This was on clearance for $10, you guys. $10. Well, guess what? There's a rebate with the Ibotta app that you guys can get $10 back. So this was absolutely free. I'm loving it. Loving it, loving it, loving it. So pretty excited to use this. I don't know if you have to use it by a certain date or not. My children are going to be down here. But can't go wrong with free. Free, 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 free. And then there's another one that I got. I ended up getting this windowsill tomato planter. Again, this was on clearance for $10, and there was a $10 rebate for this, so I got this absolutely for free. So there was that. And then I had one more that I got. Where did I put it, Jennifer? Let's see. The next one I got is the organic microgreens grow kit. This one was on clearance for $6. $6 is what we got this for. But there is a $10 rebate with Ibotta, making this absolutely free, plus a $4 moneymaker. Free, you guys. So if you want to get some of those bonuses and you want to get some freebies, definitely check. Now, I did check the app to see if my store had any in stock prior from shopping there, and it said no. Went to the store, scanned it, then it said it was in stock. So just giving you guys a heads up, there was 3 different kinds that would qualify for this one, but they were $6. So definitely get some freebies if you guys need to go ahead and do that, okay? So I ended up getting the Carefree Breathe pads. Now, these were $4.97. We just got some printable coupons from coupons.com. Now, if you guys can't print those, if you guys cannot use those printable coupons, you might be able to submit your receipts to the coupons.com app. I rarely use it, but there are times where, you know, I submit my receipt to that app and you guys can get points. So check that out if you guys want to do these deals. You just pay a little bit more out of pocket, but they do send that money to PayPal, which you could use to buy a Walmart gift card. So it's up to you what you want to do. But again, $4.97. I used a $2 off printable coupon. You would pay $2.97 for this, but then you guys will get a $1.50 rebate with Ibotta, making it just $1.47. So they didn't hardly have anything, but these, what is the count for this? I don't even know what the count is. 24, so, you know, it's an okay deal if you want to do that, okay? And more feminine products. I got more feminine products. I ended up getting these Stay Free pads. These were $2.72, okay? Okay, $2.72. I used a 2 off of 2 printable coupon, again from coupons.com. You would pay $3.44 for the both of these, but then you guys will get $1.50 back with Ibotta and $1.50 back with Ibotta, making them just 44 cents or 22 cents a piece. You can't go wrong with that. And then I also got one more feminine product. My daughter says hello. Yeah, I got the OB organic tampons. Now these were $5.97. I used a $2 off printable coupon from coupons.com. You would pay $3.97 for this, but then you get a $3 rebate with Ibotta, so it comes out to be just 97 cents. I've tried OB, the other ones, the tiny ones. I'm not a big fan of it, but this one actually has an applicator, which actually seems kind of good. They didn't have hardly anything to choose from. This is the only option that I had, but I'm like, for 97 cents, we'll take it. So, yes, okay. Okay, now I checked and my freebie for the Frosted Flakes came back. I wasn't able to get it at first, and now it came back, but it is a limit of 1. This was $3.64. You would pay $3.64 for this, but then you'll get $3.64 back with Ibotta, making this absolutely free. I mean, it's a good deal, especially when you can get the family size absolutely free. So that is going in my pile of cereal. I got a bunch of cereal like right behind me. So I'm going to my mom's house tomorrow, so I'm bringing a bunch of that stuff home with me. The next deal I did was the Butterfinger deal. Now this was 88 cents. You would pay 88 cents for this, but then you guys can submit a 25-cent rebate with Ibotta, making it just 63 cents. So it's an okay deal, but 63 cents for a candy bar, good deal. Now I was gonna go do the Save and Start. You have to wait till Thursdays for it to repeat. So before anybody says, hey, you can submit your receipt to to Checkout 51, I already did this. I did this already on Thursday. I just wanted to go back and get some more Ibotta hauls. So just making you guys make sure, I did do this deal already with the Checkout 51 app. I'm just already hit my limit, so I can't do it anymore. But I ended up getting the 5-star folders. Now these were 97 cents. You would pay 97 cents for both of them, or you guys would pay $1.97, $1.94 for both of these. But then you can submit a 75-cent off of 2 rebate with Ibotta, making them $1.19 or just 59 cents a piece, which is a little bit pricey. Checkout 51 does have a $1.25 off of 2, so it would be even a better deal, or it's actually free if you guys want to go do that. But definitely check that out. So had to go ahead and get some folders, and yes, now the pen deal. I'm going to share with you guys on the pen deal. I looked in the school supplies section for the pens, and I could not find these. I had to go in the back of the store over where the stationery was. I really wanted to get the 12-pack. But my store did not have the 12-pack, but they did have the, what is this, a 6-pack? A 6-pack of these pens. The shelf was like 7 something. It was like marked as 7. I don't even know what it was. It was 7, what was it? $7.38 is what the shelf had these for. But I actually scanned this product, and there was a rollback for $5.88. Okay? $5.88. You want to buy 2 of them, you would pay $11.67. But you guys can actually submit a $9.45 off of 2 rebate with Ibotta. It comes out to be just $2.31 or $1.15. It's an okay deal, especially with the colored ones. I love the colored ones and I love the clickable ones, so I'm pretty happy with these pens. I'm going to definitely open these up and put them at my desk because I love, love, love clickable pens. Okay, the next deal we did was Renuzit. Thank you guys for, I can't remember the name. I cannot remember. I said thank you in my vlog video, but thank you guys for sending me these coupons. I wanted to use them. So I got the Renuzit Snuggle. This was $2.97. I used a $2 off coupon that was in our inserts from probably a couple weeks ago, but one of you guys mailed it to me, so thank you. You would pay 97 cents for this, but then you guys can actually submit a $2 rebate with Ibotta, making them $1.03 MoneyMaker. So you get these absolutely free, plus you would pay, or you'd get these with a profit. So yeah, and then I ended up doing the regular Renuzits. I think I maxed out on this rebate because usually these rebates only reset after 5 times, and I think I might be maxed out, which is totally fine because I love Renuzits. So these were 97 cents. You want to buy 6 of them. I used a buy 4 get 2 free. So you guys would end up paying $3.88 for this, but then you can submit a $2 off of 2 rebate with Ibotta, making it just $1.88 or 31 cents. So I got 6 of them. Pretty excited. This bag smells delicious. So we got that. The next deal I got was the Meow Mix 2-pack. Now these were 72 cents. You need to buy 3 of these. You would pay $2.16. Benjamin, quiet. But then you guys can submit a 75-cent off of 3 rebate, making them just $1.41 or 47 cents a piece, or 23 cents a cup if you guys need to go ahead and do that. The next deal I also got was the Meow Mix single cups. Now these were 48 cents. You want to buy 4 of them. You would pay $1.92, but then you can submit a 50-cent off of 4 rebate with Ibotta, making it just $1.42 or just 35 cents a piece if you guys need a cup for that. No, Ben. The next deal I got was the Bella dog food, the singles. These were 60 cents. I used a $1.50 off of 4 printable coupon. You guys would end up paying 90 cents for 4 of them, but then you can submit a 50 cents off of 4 rebate with Ibotta, making it just 40 cents. That's 10 cents a cup. So great deal if you want to do that. And then I also got the boxes of the dog and cat food. So the regular cat food was $5.52. You would pay $5.52 for this. But then you guys can submit a 75-cent rebate with Ibotta, making it just $4.77 or just 39 cents a cup. I keep wanting to get the bigger one, but I'm so cheap I don't. But, you know, if you need to get some your cat some cups, definitely go ahead and do that. And then I also got the Bella dog food. Now this was $7.14. Yeah. You want to use a $4 off printable coupon that was on coupons.com. Now the Bellas are no longer available anymore, so just wanted to give you guys a heads up on that. You would pay $3.14 for this, but then you guys can submit your receipt for $1.50 off of Ibotta, making it just $1.64 or just 13 cents a cup, which is a great deal if you guys need some dog food. I've noticed that some of them do have Peely coupons. This one does not, but in case you guys do find a Peely coupon, there's sometimes a $3 off Peely coupon. So that was it, you guys. That was my haul. Yeah, I got 33 items. That's what I got. 33 items. I think it was like 17 rebates. I cannot remember off the top of my head. But my total came to $73.04. Yeah, $73.04. I ended up getting $59.59 back with all the rebates that I got. I also finished the Summer Sizzle rebate where I just needed 12 out of the 30, so I got $10 for that. Plus I also finished level 2. I needed 30 rebates for level 2, 30, but I only needed 5 more to finish it, so I ended up getting $1 for level 2. So my grand total came to technically $2.45. I got 33 items at just $2.45. That came out to be just 7 cents a piece. Loving it, loving it, loving it. That was an awesome haul. I was so excited I went back again. I may or may not do another haul later this week. We will see. Right now I'm just gonna go enjoy some time with my family. Much needed vacation. But I definitely wanted to share with you guys on that. If you enjoyed my Walmart Ibotta haul, give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys all next time. See ya. Bye-bye.